Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping whatever is filling the drive and confirming available space. Open your file manager or disk utility and note used versus free. Once done, close memory-hungry applications and pause Cloud Sync so files stop arriving. Then remove temporary and cache files and make sure to empty the trash or recycle bin. Deleted files still occupy space until that step completes. This first sweep creates immediate breathing room and prevents interruptions for the more thorough cleanup that follows. Next, focus on the items that consume the most bytes so you reclaim meaningful space. You should uninstall unused applications and remove leftover installers. These often total gigabytes. Then scan for large or duplicate media, sort by size and delete or archive anything over 100 MB you no longer need. If data must be kept, move it to an external drive or cloud storage and verify the move before deleting local copies. Make sure to recheck free space between steps to confirm progress. To finish, run your system's disk cleanup and any available file system repair tools so metadata and freed blocks are recognized. Once complete, reboot the machine to allow services to restart cleanly, then confirm free space and test key applications for stability. If space still seems consumed, check for hidden files, large system snapshots, or restore points that can be pruned. Troubleshooting tip: if deletion doesn't free space, inspect and delete orphan snapshots or log files. These often hold unexpected gigabytes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.